balang araw, yeah. Makasama kita balang araw, makasama kita balang araw, yeah. Oh, makasama kita araw-araw, yeah. Wait, what? Kakagaling ko lang sa pagkirot ang aking puso. Tapos isang araw habang nagkaklase, bigla mo na lang kung inat sa FB. Tsaka ka na lang bigla nagsabi ng ay. Nag-reply pabalik sabi ko hello. I didn't mind it at that time, but what I didn't know. And then one day you said to me you wanted to be friends with me. Di ko na sana pinansin kaso na